If you're wondering how to get rid of the F on your Dyson HP02, it's easy to do. Basically, it means your filter needs changing. So once you've taken this part off here and changed out your filter, you then need to tell the machine that you've swapped out your filter. Two ways of doing it. We can do it via the remote control or via the app. Right now, this doesn't need changing. We have 87% life left in the filter. We're doing this purely for the video. So I'm going to reset it to begin with on here. Hopefully then you will see it will register here that it's been reset. Then I'm going to show you how you can reset it on the app. So what we need to do is we need to hold down the power button on the remote control for around about 5 seconds, and you will see it will change here. So on your one, if you've got an F, it will change to show that it's resetting. So I'm holding it down now, still holding it, still holding it. You can see it's counting down there, counting down. And there we go. You can now see that that's been reset, and if you have a look here, we've gone to 100%. So it's nice the way it counts you down when you're holding down the power button. So that is it. The filter has now been reset. You won't get that F anymore. If you want to do it on the app, then what you need to do is you need to go to the home page here. You need to go to the settings icon. You need to go to your machine settings. You need to go down to where it says air, and we need to go to filter management. And then we need to go to reset filter life. When we press this one here, it says this should be done after you've replaced the filters. So we've replaced the filters. Let's go to reset, and it's resetting. And that's it, filter life reset. Interestingly, it didn't come up with the little display just here when it was doing it via the app. But now we have 100% remaining here. So that's the two different ways to get rid of the F on your Dyson hot and cold fan. Thanks for watching.